the stack up's good.
Okay. Alrighty, to begin.
First off, you're going to put the gasket on. Then you're going to take your bronze plate. This bronze plate just sets over there. Depending on how it is in the plane, you might want to put just a little bit of grease on the back so it'll stick to that gasket a little bit. Then the whole key to the whole thing is this little O-ring that sets in this groove.
Sorry, I was zooming. Okay.
That O-ring has to go over this lip on here. So what I do is before I put it on, I just take this O-ring and set it on here just like this. Roll it on, and then you have to kind of run your finger around it so it'll stay down because it twists.
Okay.
And you don't want to split this because it'll leak air.
Do you put anything on that O-ring?
I put a little bit of super lube around it, but I put it on this piece here, and where that groove is.
Okay.
And then once that's in there, and you have the engine timed to 8 degrees after TDC on number 4.
8 degrees after TDC on number 4. That's
4.
The prop shaft?
Yes.
Okay.
Then you're going to install the spring.
Okay.
And then you have this piece which engages. You have 2 slots that engage down in here, like so. So it'll drop in.
Gotcha.
And then it's latched. Then you're going to take the gear. You're going to put the big side in, like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take it and install it onto the accessory case. If it doesn't drop on perfectly, you take this gear out, rotate it 1 tooth, put it back in, and it should drop right on. So you're going to take it, drop it on. It does not go down. So what you're going to do is pull this out, rotate this 1 tooth, put it back in, and it should fall on there. Just like that.
Oh
see?
my gosh, magic.
Now, while it's on there, put the 3 nuts on and actually snug it down, and then go back and put the lock tabs on one at a time.
Gotcha. Then when you're all done, then you can remove the tool.
Unloosen this right here, this tool, then back this, unscrew this out, and put your cap and crush washer back on and tighten it down, and then start installing your air lines.
Okay. All right.
So from here though, he needs to